बिकॉज कोविड आ गया. वी वर सपोज टू लॉन्च इन 2020. कोविड की वजह से 2 साल डिले हो गया और 2 साल तो बहुत लंबा टाइम होता है. पैकेजिंग रेडी थे, हमारे फॉर्मुलेशन रेडी थे. वी जस्ट हैड टू गेट इनटू प्रोडक्शन. हायरिंग was such a big problem, man. And after a point, I started burning out because I have to do everything like seriously, properly on a break. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is a life update. मैं बहुत टाइम से ये वीडियो बनाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ बट ये वीडियो बन ही नहीं पा रहा है भाई. और हाँ, वीडियो को थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग रखने के लिए आई एम गोइंग टू गेट रेडी एंड टॉक टू यू गाइज ऑन कैमरा. So let's get ready with me and do a life update video. My reason for doing this video is very simple. I just want to reconnect with my audience. सबसे पहले I want to thank you guys for being there and sticking by while I was away from social media because I was kind of disconnected for a little while. But now that I am back to content creation full-fledged, I just wanted to kind of give you like a little update about my life, what I've been up to, where I'm headed. And 2025 आ गया है, so happy new year. And इससे better कोई time हो नहीं सकता है to give you a life update. तो सबसे पहले फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, जिसके बारे में मुझसे बहुत लोगों ने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं और पिछले आई थिंक 1 साल से मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ बोला नहीं है उस टॉपिक के बारे में, ज़्यादा कि मैंने बात ही नहीं की उस टॉपिक के बारे में. तो मैं आज सबसे पहले उस टॉपिक के बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ. इट्स अबाउट TGM Beauty, the Green Maven, however you guys know it. It was my beauty brand that we launched in 2022 and 2023 December we finally called it quits. बहुत सारे रीजंस थे, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई, बहुत सारे फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंसेस थे हमारे साथ सिंस वी वर फर्स्ट टाइम फाउंडर्स एंड ओनर्स ऑफ द बिजनेस. तो जिन लोगों को नहीं पता है इस ब्रांड के बारे में, मैं थोड़ा सा आप लोगों को एक छोटा सा बैकग्राउंड देना चाहती हूँ. तो TGM Beauty मेरा ब्यूटी ब्रांड था विच स्टेम्ड आउट ऑफ द ग्रीन मेवन, जो एक ब्यूटी एंड लाइफस्टाइल प्लेटफॉर्म था. आई एक्चुअली वांटेड टू जस्ट स्टार्ट विद अ ब्यूटी ब्लॉग. सो ये चैनल साथ में शुरू किया, इंस्टाग्राम शुरू किया, माई blog website picked up. It started getting readers from all across the globe. That's how हमारी जर्नी की शुरुआत हुई. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने मेरे ब्लॉग को The Green Maven नाम दिया. हमने वो डोमेन खरीदा, वेबसाइट बनाई और उसके बाद उसको एक पब्लिशिंग प्लेटफॉर्म में ट्रांसफॉर्म किया where we would hire writers who would write articles for us and that would be published on our platform, The Green Maven. We launched our own products in 2022 June. Yes, we shut down TGM Beauty in 2023 December. The question that a whole lot of you have been asking me, but I haven't really spoken about it yet. So in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about it and get past this whole thing because I think I've been dealing this for too long. But इस video में I'm going to be answering all your questions and talking about TGM Beauty a little bit because this is the life update and TGM has been a very big part of my life. The only reason I am talking about this in this video is because I feel like I owe this to you guys, to all my followers, subscribers, TGM community members, our customers who've really stood by and for their unwavering support throughout the time we were live and even after that. So I'm going to keep it really short to the point. बिल्कुल भी बोर नहीं करूँगी, no sob stories. देखो, आप जब बिजनेस करते हो ना तो मैंने इतना ही सीखा है, a lot of factors are not in your hands. You can try as much as you want, as much as you can, बट अल्टीमेटली बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है जो आपको डेस्टिनी पे छोड़नी पड़ती है. हमारे टाइम पे तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हुई बिकॉज कोविड आ गया. वी वर सपोज टू लॉन्च इन 2020. कोविड की वजह से 2 साल डिले हो गया और 2 साल तो बहुत लंबा टाइम होता है फॉर एवरीथिंग. यार, द मार्केट्स चेंज्ड, अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स चेंज्ड. हमें तो वो बैंडविड्थ ही नहीं मिला टू चेंज और इवॉल्व बिकॉज हमारी पैकेजिंग रेडी थे, हमारे फॉर्मुलेशन रेडी थे. वी जस्ट हैड टू गेट इनटू प्रोडक्शन एंड गेट द प्रोडक्ट्स आउट टू सेल. वो एक बहुत बड़ा हिट था फॉर आवर ब्रांड. वी ऑब्वियसली डिड व्हाट वी कुड. वी इवॉल्व्ड अ लिटिल बिट, ट्वीक्ड अ लिटिल बिट, बट जितना कर सकते थे हम लोगों ने उतना किया. बट अल्टीमेटली you only can do so much, right? Secondly, the Green Maven was a content platform. We obviously wanted to launch our own products someday in the future, but we hadn't really started monetizing the platform before selling our own products. There was a brief stint initially where we were operating as a third party seller, much like Amazon, Nykaa, you know, like a marketplace where we would sell other brands to our readers and our followers and our community members. But again, COVID happened, fucked it up for us because we were a small platform, bootstrapped, and we were very ethical with, you know, the kind of brands that we were onboarding. We had fewer brands, and a lot of these brands were like green conscious, eco-friendly, you know, so they were also struggling with their packaging and stuff like that during COVID. So हाँ, बहुत सोचने के बाद we took a conscious call कि we will shut down this vertical of TGM and just operate as a content platform. Thirdly, hiring was such a big problem, man. Like, we couldn't find the right people suitable for the roles. And, you know, kudos to the entrepreneurs who are successfully running their businesses in today's day and age. It's crazy. It's crazy out there. And after a point, you know, I started burning out because I have to do everything except for like the other roles that my husband was taking care of. But with me, like, it was not just the content or just the product or just, it was everything. I was taking care of the day-to-day operations. Beat that. And you know, after a point, it just gets so stifling. You are so burnt out at the end of the day, you have no energy left. Mentally you are tired more than physically. And there's no scope for you to grow because you're just looking into every little detail of every little job profile. Yeah, I mean, I had reached a point where I just wanted to quit. Yeah, that's the word. I'm a creative person, you know, like I'm an actor, I'm a creator. Even my business started with content creation. So after a point, I think everything just became very mechanical, and it's just about the business, the money, which of course everyone loves, but at the same time I started becoming very dull. I wasn't enjoying the process as much, and I wasn't myself, wasn't really there, you know. I wasn't able to contribute to the business. Yeah, I mean, let me put it that way. I don't know, if I wasn't able to give my 100%, and that's when I decided that maybe this is not for me, not right now, you know. I'm not ready. So yeah, that's how our journey with TGM Beauty came to an end. Really sad, but that's what life is all about. We sold out our last and the only inventory in 2023 December, and then we shut down. So, well, life goes on. We move on. On that note, let's move on to what happened after that. So last 1 year, I think 2024, I was officially on a break. Like, I was mentally prepared to relax, rejuvenate, travel, reconnect with my friends, family, myself, heal. Like, seriously, properly on a break. Like, you know, आप लोगों को पता है मैंने इससे पहले कभी ब्रेक नहीं लिया था. Like, never. From work, break from work I'm talking about. Never. मतलब मैं 15 साल की उम्र से काम कर रही हूँ. Of course, I was acting पहले, then I started my own business, all of that happened. कभी भी break नहीं लिया है. तो I think ये इस पूरे सिनारियो के बाद I was ready कि भाई अब मुझे कुछ टाइम कुछ भी नहीं करना है. I just want to maybe sit at home, do nothing, go out, travel with my parents, meet my friends, reconnect with myself. कुछ काम नहीं करना है for a while. And I'm back. भूखी शेरनी, काम से मेरा कभी पेट नहीं भरता. So what's next for me? So अभी तो I'm focused on content creation. I want to grow this YouTube channel. I want to connect with more beautiful people like you guys. So अगर आप लोग को अच्छा लगता है ये वीडियो, अगर आप लोग अभी भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं हो to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. I am a very hardworking and honest individual, let me tell you that. So if you subscribe to my channel, you won't be disappointed. What to expect from my channel? I think I would like to use this channel to share my life experiences with you guys, and beauty, fashion, lifestyle ये तो मैं पहले ही करती हूँ, but उसके अलावा I want to travel more often and I love doing travel vlogging. अभी मैं recently जॉर्जिया गई थी और मैंने वहाँ पे travel vlog किया था in Batumi. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, please go check it out on my YouTube channel. Okay, so I am ready. And we talked. So now I think it's the perfect time to say bye-bye until I see you in the next video. But before I leave, I really want to thank you guys again for being there, and I just want you guys to know that your feedback and suggestions are really appreciated. They're actually needed. Please मुझे comment करके बताओ कि आप किस तरीके का वीडियो इस चैनल पे देखना पसंद करोगे, मुझे किस टाइप का वीडियो बनाना चाहिए, कोई टॉपिक्स है, कुछ भी है, प्लीज कमेंट में बताओ, एंड ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, love you guys.